Hello students, today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter number 16, patterns. In this chapter you will learn different types of patterns. What is pattern? A pattern is a set of shapes or design or numbers or letters which are repeated over and over in a sequential order is called a pattern. Students, can you see your pattern? Rectangle, circle, triangle. Again rectangle, circle, triangle. Same sequence is followed till last. This is the pattern using geometrical shapes. Here is a pattern of freehand shapes. A pattern can also be made up of alphabets, numbers, or shapes. Alphabet pattern. Here are some examples of alphabet patterns. Number pattern. These are the example of number pattern. Triangle, square, quadrilateral, rhombus, and circle are the geometrical shapes used in the pattern below. Students, can you see here different type of geometrical shapes are used in this pattern. Patterns in multiplication tables. Look at the 9 times table. Students, here is the 9 times tables. Here only answers are written, that is product. Note the sequence of numbers in the units places of the table. So you have to note only the unit place of the table. This is the unit place. What pattern do you see? So students, this is the unit place and what type of pattern you can see here? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So each digit is 1 less than the previous digit. That is, the number go on decreasing by 1. So your pattern at unit place is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. As it is written over here, same we have copied over here, the pattern at the unit place. Now note the sequence of numbers in the tens place of the table. Now we will see at the tens place. Can you see here in blue color? This is tens place. What type of digit you can see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here each digit is 1 more than the previous digit. And here pattern at the tens place will what? We have to find a pattern in tens place. So pattern at tens place is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As the digit given over in tens place, same we will write here. Write the 2 times table till 2 15s are 30. Look at the digits in the unit place from 2 ones are 2 up to 2 15s are 30. Find the pattern. So students, here we have to write 2 time tables till 2 15s are 30. So we will start from 2 ones are 2 up to 2 15s are 30. So let us write the table. So we have written here from 2 ones are 2 till 2 15s are 30. Now pattern at the unit place. So here this is the unit place. So the digit which comes at unit place we will write as a pattern at the unit place. So here digits are 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Same way we have written here as a pattern at the unit place. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Now same way we will write pattern at the tens place. So these are the digits at the tens place. So here is the digit 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and last is 3. Same digit we will write as pattern at the tens place. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 5 times 1. Then again 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 5 times 2 and last 3. So this way you can write pattern in numbers or pattern in multiplication. Exercise. Complete the multiplication given below. Find a pattern in the product. Students, here 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60. 6 tens are 60. Same way 6 multiplied by 100 will 600. 6 multiplied by 1000 will 6000. Same way 6 multiplied by 10,000, your product will be 60,000. So can you see the pattern of this product? Here 600 is equal to 60 into 10. So here 600 is there is equal to 60 into 10. But here 6 into 100 we got 600. Same way if we multiply 60 into 10 we will get same answer 600. 6 multiply by 1 and these two zeros 600. Same way 6000 is equal to 600 multiplied by 10. 6 into 1 6 and this 30. We will get the answer 6000. Same way 60,000 is equal to 6,000 multiplied by 10. 6 into 1, 6 ones are 6 and this 30 and this 10, 40. So we will get 60,000. 6 and 40. So each number is 10 times the previous number. So we got the pattern here. Each number is 10 times the previous number. If we multiply 60 by 10, we will get 600. If we multiply 600 by 10, we will get 6,000. And if we multiply 6,000 by 10, we will get 60,000. So same way, you will complete pattern of 7 and write your answers in the given blanks. Multiply 37 by 3, 6, 9 and so on till 27. In that order, observe the patterns in the product. So students, here 3, 6, 9, which number will come next? It is 12, then 15, then 18. So these are the numbers, these are the product of 3 timetables. So we will multiply product of 3 timetables with the number 37 and observe the pattern in the product. So here 37 multiplied by 3, 37 multiplied by 6, 37 multiplied by 9 and so on till 37 multiplied by 27. We got your product 111. 37 multiplied by 3, we got the product 111. Same way 37 multiplied by 6, we got the product here 222. Same way 37 multiplied by 9, we got the product 333. 37 multiplied by 12, we got the product 444. Same way you will complete these blanks and then write the pattern in the product and complete the remaining blanks. Here the pattern is that each number in the product increases by 1 in 100, tens and unit places. Have you observed here? This is the unit place, tens place and 100 place. In this pattern, each number is increasing by 1. See here it was, see here 1, then next product 2, 3, 4. So this is the hint for you. You will complete the remaining blanks. So students, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson of patterns. Thank you.